So guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to earn money from freelancing platform digital marketing, how you can earn money through digital marketing easily, make money as a content writer. This is one of the service digital marketers provide. To become a content writing especially you will need to develop a variety of skills and meet a certain qualification. This includes writing skills, keyword research skills, SEO skills, analytical skills as well. How much you can make as a content specialist, it depends on the job position and a number of other factors. For example, if you work in a company, the average base salary for content writer is 3,509 per month. If you work as a content marketing freelancer, you can get paid per piece per article and you can charge anywhere between 0.10 to 0.50 for each word you write. For exact rate depends on the type of content and your level of expertise on it.